The State Minister for Planning in the Finance Ministry, David Bahati, was recently voted the best performing Member of Parliament according to findings of the Parliamentary Scorecard. The MPs were assessed on their attendance of plenary and committee sessions in addition to performance in their constituencies. It is this wave of a good performer that David Bahati intends to ride on to win over the voters of Ndorwa West.
We are running for Member of Parliament and Ndorwa County West in Kabale District, and we are depending on the things that we have been able to achieve for our constituency, for our district, and for our party in the district and the country at large. And we are very confident that given what we have been able to achieve, with God's grace and the support of the people of Ndorwa West, we will go back to Parliament.
Coupled with the love of his people, as his service portrays, David Bahati has been able to ensure an improved health and education status of Ndorwa West constituency.
It's our policy that every sub-county should have a secondary school. And as we speak, here in the in the constituency, all the sub-counties, save one which has been created recently for purposes of service delivery, all of them have got secondary schools. When we were voted for the first time, we only had one health center. As we speak, we have a health center in Butanda sub-county and an ambulance. We are putting up a health center in Kahunje sub-county.
To David Bahati, service above self is his pleasure, and he does this through household empowerment.
In order to improve household income, through our own initiative, every household in Ndorwa West received the whole, and they have been using it to for food security, but at the same time for household income. We have also been distributing seedlings to help households to ensure that they improve their household income, and a number of other youth initiatives engaging youth in sports aimed at talent development, but also mobilizing them for income generation.
Although it is a scientific campaign, Bahati is being assured of victory by his people.
But we have no option, because first and foremost, we must protect the lives of Ugandans. So if you're a leader and you can't care for the lives of Ugandans, then there is a problem. So we must care for the lives of Ugandans. So we are using a lot of other forms of communication and try as much as possible to promote the use of masks.
He says the National Resistance Movement Party has to date dominated Chigezi politics because it is backed by the tangible benefits residents in the area have gotten.
And I'm very confident that the people of Ndorwa West, I'm counting on them. I'm counting on God's grace and God's favor. And I know because of what we've been able to achieve with them, together, we will be able to win these primaries on the 4th of September and continue to serve our people in the coming years.
Dr. Gideon Rukundo is another contender for Ndorwa West parliamentary seat representation. Roberto Nyango, UBC News.